Good morning everyone. I welcome you all to my science class. In our previous class we have learned that air occupies space. In today's class let us continue with block 15, topic air exerts pressure. The aim of today's class is conclude that air exerts pressure. So before that I would like to define what is pressure. Pressure is nothing but the force that acts on a given area. I repeat, the force that acts on a given area. A good example is that we are all experienced that when we go to a river side or a seashore side, when we stand in the water, the waves of the water seems to pull us, isn't it? We experience that. That is because the running water exerts force which we feel on our body. Hence, we find it difficult to balance our body in a river. That is why we feel very difficult to balance our body in the water. Do you all understand? So, we are going to prove with an experiment that air exerts pressure. The procedure is as follows. I have to take a glass, fill the glass completely with water. Then, I have to press a piece of cardboard piece and on the top of the glass, and I have to turn the glass upside down. That's it, upside down. Then you will see this kind of observation in the experiment. We will find out why this is so and what happens later. Okay, now come and follow me. So I have taken water in the tumbler here. I'll add some more to that. Now I have taken a cardboard paper. Okay, so what am I going to do is I am going to take the glass tumbler. I have filled this with water and this is the cardboard sheet. I am going to place it above the glass. You should see that the cardboard sheet is bigger than the opening of this tumbler. Okay, the mouth of this tumbler. Now after that I have put pressure like this. So I apply pressure with my palm on the top of the glass. Now I have to turn it upside down. See, I have to turn it upside down and you need to see the force of water. Can you see here? The force of water is acting on both the sides. That is from the below and from the above region. You got it? So this experiment proves that the atmospheric pressure, if it is more, the water will hold this cardboard sheet. You understand? Can you see the setup? You can try this at home. Can you see the setup? Now, come back. We will find out what happened. Now, prediction. So, when I did this experiment, what did you think first? You would have thought that the water may spill out. Even I felt so. But what actually happened? What did you all observe? The water does not fall out of the glass. Did the water fall out? No. Why? Because air that surrounds the cardboard, the air which was surrounding the cardboard exerts pressure on it. Exerts pressure on what? On the glass. Understood? This is what actually happened. Now let us find the reason why this happened. The atmospheric air is present everywhere, isn't it? The atmospheric pressure that is exerted by the air in the upward direction, that is in the upward direction, balances the downward direction of pressure of water on the cardboard. So two pressures are acting. See, once the pressure was like this, pressure is acting from the downwards and the pressure is acting from the upward direction. That is the reason why this cardboard did not open. You got it? So what can we conclude from this? We can conclude that air exerts pressure. Do you all understand? Now you might have a question. Why don't we get crushed by the pressure of air on us? Why don't we get crushed by the air which is present on us? So, we can't feel the air pressure because of our body is pushing back. Our body is heavy and we are putting some pressure from the inside to outside. So, the pressure inside our body is equal to the pressure outside. The external pressure or the atmospheric pressure is equal to the pressure which is pushing from inside. That is the pressure which is present from inside. Did you understand? Now, let us move on to the keywords. Exerts, pressure, atmosphere. atmospheric upwards. Okay. Now open your workbook, page number 37. So in page number 37 you have question 1 A. What is pressure? Define what is pressure. B. Why do we feel pushed on windy day? You have to write. Second question A. Mark the direction of air pressure in the experiment and label it. In this picture you have to label the direction of air pressure. B. What is supporting the water from falling from the glass? You have to say. C. When do you think the water will fall from the glass? Okay. D. Which property of air does this experiment show? What is the experiment we are doing for? That you have to write. Now, third question. Does air apply pressure on us? Why don't we get crushed by its pressure? Why we are not getting crushed with the pressure? You have to think and answer. So, for today's homework, you will read content book page number 39. Understood? So, in today's class, we have discussed that air exerts pressure. We have defined what is pressure and we have concluded that with an experiment that air exerts pressure. Okay. If you have any doubt regarding this class, you can ask me through Google Classroom. Thank you. Have a nice day.